Imagine a world where customer service is a breeze, where technology blends seamlessly with human interaction. Welcome to the future of customer service, the smart AI-powered IVR. But wait, let's take a step back and look at the nightmare many of us have experienced.
Welcome.
Hi, I need help
Press
with my...
1 for sales, press 2 for customer support, press 3 for partners support, press 4 for technical support.
Oh,
press
no,
5 for
no.
account
Was it
balance, press 6 for billing, press 7 for promotions, press 8 for our history, press 9 for returns, press 10 for product details, press 11 for price.
What? Seriously?
Now, picture this. A simple conversation with a smart AI-powered IVR.
Hi, how can I assist you today?
Hi, I need help with my account.
Absolutely. Let's get that sorted for you.
Can you tell me about my bill?
Your current bill is $85.
I'm thinking about changing my plan. What are my options?
Sure thing. Let's explore some options.
Where's the closest store?
There's a store just 1.5 miles away from you.
Wow, that's amazing! Thanks for the great support!
Remember, I'm here 24/7 to make your life easier.
No more button battles. No more IVR confusion. The future's melody is all about delighted customers. Open question, the AI-powered IVR, your future of customer service.
Wow! I feel good. I knew that I wouldn't.
Press 50 for all options. Press 51 for unlisted options.
I feel good. I knew that I wouldn't.
Press 100 for CEO's pet. Press 101 for janitor's mop brand.